Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. So it's been long, very long since I posted on this platform, but finally I'm back. I'm trying to put myself together and see that I give you very good content, very good informative content so that it is beneficial. So come with me as I travel back to Kampala to from Mbarara. Yes, over the weekend I went to Mbarara to check on some properties and some things. But on my way back, I said, let me just record something. I'll post it on my YouTube channel for my people. So if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, please feel free to share, like, comment, and talk to me. Tell me what you think I should bring you on the next video. The video is not clear, but I am sure you will enjoy. So here I was in a bus moving from Mbarara to Kampala, and in this particular space, I think I was this area is called Kagate. After before you reach Rushe, that road that branches off to Uganda. Yes, I was in a bus. I used Tausi bus. Luckily, this time around, I sat at the front seat near the driver. It was quite a long one, but Alhamdulillah, thank God that I got home safe. I took a night bus. I'd never taken a night bus from Mbarara. Yeah, I sort of at like 9:30 p.m. and I got to Kampala at around 4 a.m. I don't know what happened, but the bus was really slow. But I got home. Yes, I got to Kampala at 4:30, 4 a.m. in the morning, but I got home at like 4:30. Yeah, so you're going to enjoy with me slowly as we go to Kampala. Thank you. So the price of transport from Mbarara to Kampala is usually 25,000 by bus. It is Global that has an executive bus, but unfortunately it doesn't operate at night. So I had to use Taos, which is a 3x2. When I say 3x2, I mean that on the right they take three seats, then on the left there are two seats. So the bus is like 67 passengers, and surely there are 67 passengers. It's just that, man, night buses take their time. If you're a person of keeping time, it may not work for you. But it was a good experience. It was a good experience. Yeah. So that is it. If you have any questions or queries that you would want to know about this trip, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll surely make a video about it and update you about everything. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. I'm going to be giving you more videos and more videos and more content and more content. So Temochitia, we're going to be here until. Thank you. So at this point, this is what they call Ruela. You all know that Ruela is that space between the wetland between Masaka and I think Mpiji. Yes, where we also have where we also have River Katonga crossing. So the Ruela is being worked on. It's very dusty, but I hope when it's finally ready, it will be very, 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 very interesting. So at this time, it was around 1 a.m. in the morning. I was still going hard. The rail is very, very dusty, very disorganized, but I'm hoping by December, the place will be ready for use and won't take a lot of time on that route also. Yeah, so literally they're like 6 hours. They're no longer 3, they're no longer 4. They're like 6 hours. Mbarara Kampala. Depending on what you use. Or a private car or a public means, 6 hours. So after a very long time, we finally arrived in Kampala. That's the bus terminal at Bakuli, Old Kampala. The one on the right is Global. This other one on the left, where the bus is going to enter, is the one for Tausi. Guys, this trip was really very, 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 very tiresome. Naye, I thank God that we managed to travel and get back home safely. So this was around 4 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, people were being picked. Me munange, since I had come alone, I had to wait and for like 30 minutes, then move. Yeah, so that is the Taus bus terminal. Literally, Taus and Global are like the legit buses that take that route of Western Uganda. Western Uganda, I mean, Mbarara, Ntungamo, Bushenyi, Kabale, yeah. So they literally have that. They're the only guys that do business there. A serious business, yeah. So they are trying to get some videos of the office space and everything. So when you reach, you can wait in the bus until maybe until when the sun is out, then you leave. Yeah, so I decided to wait for like 30 minutes, then go. Then I finally moved out of the bus and he said I'll go. So guys, that is it. That was the journey from Mbarara to Kampala. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to be bringing more videos now. I'm going to be bringing more videos on this channel. So please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. It's gonna be very, very, very serious. Thank you. See you in the next video.